Hi guys, wanted to show you dinner for an entire week for under $10, a healthy dinner for an entire week for under $10 and in less than an hour. So this is baked chicken breasts and drumsticks. You can buy a bag of 10 pounds, they're quarters, and it's the drumstick and the breast. Just, take a butcher knife, separate it, and then cook all of it at 450 degrees for 40 minutes, seasoning it with iRub mustard on it first, Dijon mustard, with seasoned salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder or garlic salt. And then you just have broccoli and spinach. You can cook that while the chicken is baking. I think I already said for 40 minutes at 450. And the bags of the broccoli and the spinach, these are like 98 cents at Walmart. So you got the chicken for $10. However, it's still under 10 because this isn't even half of what comes in that bag. It's usually 8 pieces that are breasts and drumstick connected together. So you got 8 breasts, 8 drumsticks, and right here this is, I think, 6 breasts and just 2 of the drumsticks. So actually enough dinner for 2 weeks just from that one bag, which by the way was $5.50 a few weeks ago, then $6.50 a week ago. Then when I brought it yesterday, it was $9.50. So the price might be $85 by the time you look at this video. However, right now it's an entire week of dinner, and this is cool because I've taken the chicken breasts off the bones for 6 of the meals, and then this meal with the drumsticks. So it's just stick it in, heat, and eat. So that's it, guys. Dinner. And by the way, this is keto friendly because there's very low carbs in chicken and low carbs in most vegetables, unless the vegetables come out of the ground like potatoes or carrots. So the low carb, healthy. This is the diet you always hear celebrities say when they're lifting weights. Oh, I just had chicken and broccoli. Well, throw in some spinach, get some magnesium, I guess. But anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Take care. And I want to speak to all 2 of my subscribers. You're wondering why there's been no vacation videos. I am writing books, and I will be writing a lot of books from now to the end of the year. So I'm not getting out as often to the parks, but I will definitely be taking a vacation at Universal shortly. So take care.